Hello there, people. This is Vernon again, coming to you with this 1938 Wisconsin AC4. This engine was found sitting outside of a barn for who knows how many decades. It's in pretty bad shape. As you can see, the nuts have just rusted off of there. But anyway, it's pretty rough. You look at the tag here, can't really make that out. Let's see here. If it makes it any better. Not really too good, is it? Anyway, I wanted to see about pulling this engine apart, although I did not have high hopes just because of how bad shape it's in. You can see the fins are almost rusted away on this flywheel. Definitely signs of having been in water. And of course it was locked up. That's usually your sign right there. Got this Stromberg carburetor here. Your crankcase breather and oil fill. It does have the original muffler. On this side, you see the push rod tubes, where they come all the way up from the block. But she's rusted pretty bad there. Tubes are not going to be very usable. Sat in the dirt for quite a while. Yeah, I've already got the heads loose, which, believe me, was a job, and you don't want to sit there and watch me doing all that. But I'll go ahead and take the heads off, and we will look inside of there. I can put this phone up without hitting a button. I'll get you there. Alright, cool. Go ahead and pull this intake back off of here. I thought about when I first got this motorcycle that it'd be kind of neat to turn this into a inline motorcycle like a Henderson or something. It would be kind of heavy, but oh well. It's interesting that the push rods come up with the head. They don't come through, so you have to push them. And here's the oil line that bolts are both heads, two heads, and they run an oil line up there. Get this one off of here. Maybe. Yeah. Okay there, mister. You mess with me, huh? I don't want to do that. I'm afraid I might ruin the gaskets. Head gaskets. What? Pretty good. There we go. Turn that upside down so you can see the combustion chamber. Let's get a light over here. There we go. Oval shaped combustion chamber. It's pretty deep, actually. The See the gasket there? Victor number there. You ever 1410. Yeah, that head gasket is reusable. But you can definitely see she's had some water in her. Let's sit this down. And there are some pretty big flakes coming out of this cylinder right here. So it doesn't look like this engine's going to be running anytime soon. I sure don't want to have to spend money to put a sleeve in an engine that I don't even know what I'm going to do with. By the way, this thing here is your governor. Some engines didn't have a governor. Some actually had a distributor where that's at. I've seen on some of them. We'll flip it over and take a look underneath to see what's going on inside of here. I did pull the pan off, which was a job getting those loose. As you can tell, nothing on here just comes out easily. Which, by the way, the output shaft comes way into the, I had to put it where it went right into my engine stand. Aluminum oil pan, you can see it's been sitting in the dirt for a while. I guess the dirt around here must have some acidity or something that just really corrodes aluminum. And my reason for doing this video is because so many times you see people getting an engine to start them and run them, which is cool, but you never actually get to see what's inside these engines, especially these rare engines that aren't very common. Quite a bit of sludge in there. Been there for a while. But the pan is actually still usable. Find somewhere to set this bad boy down. Yeah, this engine rusted so bad that the air shrouds that went to it has all rusted away. There's nothing left of that. Get my light here again. Quite a bit of sludge there on the oil pump. The oil pump is driven through a shaft where the governor comes through. The kind of interesting thing is, you notice these it has oil squirters. They aim at the rod dippers there. It's I haven't seen an engine do that. Must not have been that good of a system if they didn't keep doing those. Let's see, what's that? 17, 17, 17. All the rods are stamped 17. The timing gear is kind of an interesting setup here. It's times, I guess, on the back of the engine. There is a camshaft there, then there's another gear the back that drives the distributor and the governor. See if you can see that way back there. Cam doesn't look terribly bad. Back there. What I will probably do probably pull those cylinders off and press those pistons out and see just how bad the cylinder is. You can see some corrosion way down there at that cylinder back there. Alright, well, that should be enough. This is Vernon signing off with this Wisconsin AC4. Oh, by the way, the roller bearings on the end of the crank. So that's kind of cool. Alright, now we're out.